Welcome back, children. I'm Srinivasan. We are going to see an important question in the chapter Determinants. The question says determine the product of these two matrices and use it to solve the system of equations. We need to find inverse using this product, and using that inverse we have to solve this equation. And we should also understand that the system of equation whatever is given will be related to any one of the matrices. See, for example, see the coefficients 1 minus 1 and 1. 1 minus and 1 is there. 1 minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 2. The third equation 2 1 and 3, 2 1 and 3 is there. So using this we will solve the system of equation. Let us see how to do the product and find the inverse. Let us take this question, start multiplying. Let this be the first matrix be taken as A, and the second matrix let us take it as B. So let us define this as A minus 4 4 minus 7 1 3 5 negative 3 negative 1, and let the second matrix be B 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 1 and 3. Let us start doing multiplying. AB, first row with the first column, gives minus 4 plus 4 plus 8. First row, second column, 4 minus 8 plus 4. First row, third column, minus 4 minus 8 plus 12. Then second row is the first column, minus 7 plus 1 plus 6. Second row, second column, 14 minus 2 plus 3. Second row, third column, minus 7 minus 2 plus 9. Third row, first column, 5 minus 3 minus 2. First row, third row, second column, minus 5 plus 6 minus 1. Third row, third column, 5 plus 6 minus 3. So minus 4, let us check. Minus 4, 1, 4 times 1, 4 times 2. Okay. So minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. We get an 8 here. 8 minus 8 is 0. Here we see 12 minus 12 is 0. So 7 minus 7 again 0. 4, 14 plus 3, 17 minus 2 is 15. Let us check this one because we will be getting the question in the form of identity matrix. So let us go with checking this one. So second row, second column. Minus 7 into minus 1 is plus 7. Minus 2 and plus 3. Very easily you can identify because it will be in the format of identity matrix. So 7 plus 3, 10 minus 2 is 8. The last one minus 7, minus 9 plus 9 is 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. 11 minus 3 is 8. Can you understand? Now we'll take a 8 common out. We have 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 1, which is the identity matrix. So AB is given as 8 times I. Okay. Now with this we need to find the inverse. Now we'll bring the 8 on the other side. We have 1 by 8 times AB equals I. Now we do inverse on both sides. We will group 1 by 8 times A to B equals I. Now 1 by 8 times A times B into B inverse equals I into B inverse. Now B inverse is I. So we have 1 by 8 times A into I equals I into B inverse is B inverse, because we know identity matrix into any matrix will be the same matrix. The same case is here. So we have 1 by 8 times A equals B inverse. So the inverse of this matrix we have got using this one, 1 by 8 times A. So 1 by 8 times we have A here, minus 4 4 4 minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. This is B inverse. Okay, children. Now we'll express this system of equation in the format of Ax equal to B, and we will solve the question. So using the product, we have found the inverse. So if your system is given as in this matrix, then I would have found the A inverse. Now let us write the given equations as 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2, 1 and 3, x, y, z equals 4, 9 and 1. We are assigned this as B, so I'll write B x equals C. Okay, now B inverse B times x equals B inverse into C. Okay, now B inverse B is just I times x equals B inverse into C. Now I times x is x equals B inverse into C. So you have B inverse and you have assigned this as C. So when you multiply, you will get the unknown variable. I mean unknown matrix X. We will be able to find the unknown variables. Let us continue. Now X equals 1 by 8, the B inverse, minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1 times C, 4, 9, 1. Now let us multiply. Minus 16 plus 36 plus 4. Minus 28 plus 9 plus 3. 20 minus 27 minus 1. Now 1 by 8 times 20 plus 4, 24. 28, 12 is negative 16. Then 20 minus 28 is minus 8. So dividing by 8 we have 3, minus 2 and minus 1. This is your matrix X, which says X is 3, Y is negative 2, Z is negative 1. This completes the solution. Children, you may have a doubt in substituting this because you would have practiced Ax equals B. Here it is Bx equals C because A is already used. So this A and B, the B and C are the variables which we define. Okay, you should practice on that. Thank you, children.